Hello, everyone, and thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Uneatly Tae. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make air dry clay gingerbread man ornaments. In today's video, we are doing gingerbread ornaments for Christmas in July, and I'm so excited about it. This is something that's so dear and true to my heart. I love gingerbread decor. I love gingerbread everything. I know a lot of people may think it's cheesy or extra, but guess what? Christmas is cheesy, Christmas is extra, and I just love going all out and being over the top with my decor. Right here, I actually created my gingerbread man out of air dry clay, and the scarf around his neck is made out of Model Magic. This is actually my second time making anything with air dry clay. I am completely new to air dry clay. My number one go-to is Model Magic. I use Model Magic for all my faux foods. 90% of my projects, faux foods, faux desserts, I use Model Magic for. I'm very familiar with Model Magic and I love it. So right here, I am painting my gingerbread man with, of course, my apple barrel products, which is apple barrel brown and chestnut. I love apple barrel. So you're going to take a fine detail brush and you're going to paint the whole entire gingerbread man in apple barrel chestnut. If you're new here, I am Tae of Uneatly Tae. I do DIYs, home decor videos, tablescapes, and much more. If you like videos like these, you're in the right place to be. So make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe so you will always know when I upload my latest video. So right here, I'm pretty much just going through each and every part of the gingerbread man, all the crevices, all the corners. I'm making sure it is coated really good. I will say it would take about 2 coats of the chestnut apple barrel paint to give it full coverage. Drop down in the comments below and let me know if you are enjoying Christmas in July 2022. Let me know what are some of your favorite crafts for Christmas in July 2022, or if you have created anything for Christmas in July 2022. All right, so let's continue to relax and enjoy this DIY. Tip number 2, this will be a very good time for you to grab a snack and come right back to the video. Don't stop the video. Take your phone, take your laptop, grab a snack, and come right back and join me as we start the second part of this DIY. So right now we're getting ready to decorate the scarf on the gingerbread man. So pretty much we're going to be using apple barrel products in red apple, and we're going to also be using apple barrel products in Kelly green. So those are the 2 paints that you're going to use for the remainder of this DIY. So you're going to also need some fabric paint, and you will see later in the video why we're going to need the fabric paint. So just take you a fine detail brush, and we're going to use that to decorate the scarf on the gingerbread man. And also, I'm getting ready to add some detail to his scarf. In his scarf, I'm going to take a pencil and just quickly sketch out some little lines to give the illusion of stripes in his scarf. I'm the type of person where I got to I'm visual. So I have to see what I'm doing before I do it. And by using this pencil, it's going to help bring to life the idea that I envision. So quickly just add those lines on your model magic to create your scarf. Alright, continue to enjoy the video. During this part here, just find you a good movie, find you something entertaining so that you can just focus in and relax and take your time in doing the details. Because to me, details is everything. Details is what made the DIY pop. Details is what give it that special touch. Details is what brings the whole DIY itself together. So have fun with it, but just do something relaxing so that your mind won't focus on how long it's actually taking you to do these little details, because I love doing details. Details is by far one of my favorite things to do in all of my DIYs that I do. And I just love to give my details special attention. I take my time. I paint every corner. I paint every area. I just really take my time and give my DIY lots of TLC. We are almost done with the scarf itself. I'm finishing up the last few blocks. I'm painting them with the red apple barrel paint, and it looks so good. I'm so satisfied with the outcome of this scarf. So we're going to take our red apple paint and we're going to add color to the buttons, and we're going to go in and we're going to fill in all the other details of the gingerbread man itself. We're even going to put a little puff paint to the gingerbread man. So just keep staying tuned. Before I forget, make sure you add a piece of string or a piece of jute string, regular string, or a ribbon of your choice to the back of your ornament if you like. If you don't want to do that at all, you could just sit it in your Christmas tree. But I just want to make sure you all knew to add that to the back with hot glue. Now we just got started on decorating with the fabric paint. I wanted to give my little gingerbread man a outdoor look with the cute little snow boots and his scarf, and I'm also going to add a hat to my snowman. I did not do it on camera, but he's going to have the cutest little toboggan on. I'm going to show you all that at the end. If I forget to add it to the end of the clip, I will also put it in my thumbnail, and I'll make a community post also, because I cannot remember if I actually did that or not. Took the pictures or not for that. But thank you all for tuning in to another episode of Uneatly Tae. Always remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And always remember to create, explore, and enjoy.